Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So we're gonna get right into this video. So originally when I had did this video, I was doing a talk through and everything like that, but I kept talking and not doing makeup. So we're gonna do a voiceover because if not, this video will be a 1,000 hours long. So we're gonna do brows first, and I've been doing this new thing where I set my brows first before filling them in with the pencil, and this just helps control the oils because I do have oily brows, so it just helps control the oils, and it also makes the brows last longer. And I use the Fenty MVP brow pencil in the shade dark brown. So for the palette that I'm using in this video, I'm using the House Labs Love Sick palette, and honestly super pretty. Like oh my god, it's so pretty, and the shadows blend oh so well. This is my first time getting any products from House Labs, so I definitely wanted to do a look with it. So I went in with one of the blue shades, and I wanted to make this look super simple and easy for those who are scared of color and they feel like they just can't, you know, do any look with color. This look, you guys, is so simple, so easy, and it's super pretty that anyone can do. So I used that blue shade, and then I went in with this nice muted pink from the palette, and I used that to pretty much just help blend the blue out, as well as apply that as a transition shade. So that is what you guys see me doing here. Okay, so then I went in with, it was kind of like a whitish, shimmery, silvery type of color. I went in with that, and at first I was using the brush, which as you guys saw, it did pick up, but I wanted it to be a lot more intense, so I went in with my finger so I can get that effect. And then I just kind of blended into the blue, and then eventually I do go back in with the blue just to blend the edges. Okay, sorry about the last clip. My son decided to tickle me. Okay, so I did eyeliner off camera, and I did use the House Labs eyeliner as well. I like that liner. It's so easy to work with. So here I went in with Midas Cosmetics lashes in the style Candace, and I was pretty much talking about the lashes like how Liam, give me a second. I was just pretty much talking about like how great their lashes are, and it's actually one of my favorite brands to go for and shop when it comes to lashes. So yeah, that's pretty much what I was talking about, and I do have a coupon code with them, so if you guys are interested, you can use rosevmua and you'll get 20% off. So now we're on face, and I am using the Il Makiage foundation. I think it's called Woke Up Like This foundation, and I'm in the shade 100. And this is my first time trying the product. So they actually sent me a $200 gift card, which I was like, oh my gosh, like, thank you so much. But they sent the card to me to shop since I didn't get chosen to work for them as a virtual makeup artist. So that was just, you know, kind of like a thank you for your interest and a sorry we couldn't pick you. So yeah, either way, I was super excited. But the foundation is really nice, you guys. Had my skin looking extremely flawless, like full coverage but lightweight as well. Like I hate full coverage foundations that just feel so heavy on the skin, and this definitely doesn't do that. One thing I can say is for those who have oily skin, you definitely want to make sure you are setting your skin properly, because I did notice that with this heat and everything and with my natural oils, I did get a little too shiny. But one pro is that even with all my oils and the sweatiness and all that stuff, the foundation did not break up at all. So that was a huge, huge plus. So I'm also using their concealer, which is, I think it's called Fuck I'm Flawless. Yeah, Fuck I'm Flawless concealer, I think it is. I'll have it down below for you guys. And I'm in the shade 3.5, I think this is. I'll have everything down below. Love, love, love this concealer, you guys. Love it. Again, full coverage. It's kind of like a semi-matte. It's not completely matte. More of a semi-matte. Definitely did not make my under eyes look dry and crusty. So that was, yeah, that was a huge, 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 huge plus. Okay, so after setting my face, as you guys saw, I went in with their baked bronzer. It's kind of like a bronzer and blush duo. As you guys see, it's really, really pretty, and it's definitely more of a blush. So I went ahead and I used that, and then just to, you know, give that more contouring type of look, I went in with my ABH contour kit, and I just, you know, went ahead and I guess snatch the face and whatnot. Alright, so now we're going to go in with highlight, and I'm going in with my Ofra Cosmetics highlight that they did in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. So this is the shade Glazed Donut. Honestly, one of my all-time faves, along with the, what's called, the highlight Rodeo Drive. Literally, like, freaking amazing, beautiful. So I went ahead and I highlighted, and then you guys are going to see me line my lips, and I used the ColourPop lip liner. Oh wait, so I pretty much did the under eyes, and then you guys are gonna see me do the lips, and I used ColourPop lip liner in BFF3, and I use one of Lunar Beauty's lip gloss. I'll leave the name down below for you guys, and then yeah, that's pretty much the completed look. So I hope you guys enjoy this super fun, easy blue look. And yeah, love you guys bunches. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh my god, my son, I gotta go. Bye, you guys.